Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the train. Watch your shoulders. Bienvenidos a bordo de Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, gracias. Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. You can see the people here, but it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the way. Just ahead is New Orleans Square Station. This station also serves Frontierland and Toontown. If you'll be meeting us here, please remain until the train runs to the side. Watch your step as you get home. The Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. We're now entering Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of the one and only laughing place. If you look real hard, it's fun. It's where the critters are celebrating a zippity doo-dah day.
comes to a complete stop at the dock, and you are asked to disembark. Thank you.
See you later. You can see people stepping onto it's a small world just below us. And in the distance, there's the Matterhorn Mountain. Inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and starships, submarines and astroplanes, and if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of the Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. On the monorail and us on the fun-filled roadways of the Australia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're meeting us here, just stay seated until the duck will full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroplanes, and step carefully from the train. To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For safety, stay seated. Hands, arms, and legs inside the train. Watch your children, and no flash photography. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash. Tomorrowland.